What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss the best 5 mesh Wi-Fi kits according to their budgets, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first, we have the TP-Link Deco P9. This Deco P9 is an excellent option that is easy to set up, has a well design, and comes with a feature-packed app. It can cover up to 6,000 square feet with seamless high-speed Wi-Fi that eliminates dead zones and buffering. And unlike other mesh systems, this P9 uses a combination of mesh Wi-Fi and Powerline networking that use your home's main wiring to provide a reliable connection even via thick walls. You can unite your home under a single Wi-Fi name and password while enjoying a seamless connection as you walk from room to room. And when it comes to its controlling, you can manage, limit, and even monitor the internet with its parental controls that will let you customize Wi-Fi access for every person and device in your home. Finally, for the app, it offers a Deco app that helps you set up your network in minutes with clear guidance and keeps you in control even when you aren't home. And in addition, you can also pair with Alexa to share your Wi-Fi password, add devices, and more using just your voice. Next is Meshforce. It is a 3-piece Wi-Fi mesh system that can cover up to 6,000 square feet. This M3 system is actually an upgrade from Meshforce's M1 and M3 with all gigabit Ethernet and even more excellent coverage. And as a dual-band Wi-Fi, it can create a super powerful wireless network for the entire home. It is said that it can provide up to 3 times faster network speed than previous generation products. And when it comes to its app, using the My Mesh app, you can set up your Wi-Fi in minutes, customize your settings, control your Wi-Fi, and check Wi-Fi status and connections anytime, anywhere. Its additional features include parental control that will enable you to specify children's access to the internet, when and which devices they can connect with, and its guest network option, which will provide secure access for guests to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Next up, we have the Tenda Nova MW5S. Its low cost, speed, and coverage make this Tenda Nova MW5S an effective mesh Wi-Fi system. It can replace your existing router and Wi-Fi extender solution and can work as a real mesh wireless access point system behind the current router. And using Nova's Wave 2.0 MU-MIMO and beamforming technology, it can keep your multiple devices connected simultaneously, concentrating Wi-Fi signals and aiming them directly at the target. For coverage, it provides 500 to 1500 square feet with 1 pack, 1500 to 3000 square feet with 2 packs, and 3000 to 4000 square feet with its 3 packs. Finally, coming to its app, it offers a Tenda Wi-Fi app, where you can set up your network quickly, create a guest network to protect your privacy, see which devices are connected to manage access priority, and can even schedule your child's online activity using its included parental controls. Next is Google Nest Wi-Fi AC2200. This Google's Nest Wi-Fi mesh kit makes a virtue out of being small while providing enough mesh networking performance. These compact mesh units have the power to fill your home with a strong Wi-Fi signal and even feature a built-in home speaker for voice commands and playing music. It has 2 wireless bands like 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which deliver a combined speed of up to 1200 megabytes per second for faster wireless performance. And when it comes to its coverage, it provides an additional 1600 square feet for fast, reliable Wi-Fi coverage for your home. Its home app will let you connect and manage devices in your network. And finally, for the setup, it offers easy setup, as you can plug the router into your modem and create a network with a strong and reliable signal. Lastly, we have the Linksys Velop. This Velop is a flexible, whole-home mesh Wi-Fi system that delivers ultra-fast, full-strength, flawless Wi-Fi wherever you need it. It's designed to fit in any environment, regardless of your home shape, size, or wherever your internet comes in. It is sleek and has a minimalist tower design that will blend seamlessly with any home decor. And these nodes are available in both black and white finish, so you can choose the color that best matches. Now let's move on to its performance. It comes with an automatic software update, which will keep your Wi-Fi system secure and up to date. And along with that, It also provides access to convenient security features, allowing you to selectively block content and even pause the internet for family time. Its intelligent mesh technology works behind, adapting to your Wi-Fi needs for flawless Wi-Fi everywhere. And finally, for the app, it offers a Linksys app, where you can closely monitor and manage your home Wi-Fi remotely using a smartphone or tablet, and can get guest access, parental controls, device prioritization, speed test, and even more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.